Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna let you know how to fix unexpected error occurred on Facebook. That's really common problem. How you solve this simply, you have three options in that. First of all, you just go in the Play Store and see if your Facebook app is not updated, then you can face that error. So first of all, you can check Facebook. No, my Facebook is updated. So if your Facebook not updated, you can simply update that and you can simply solve this problem. And second thing is you can go in your mobile phone setting and simply go in app management, press on app list. Here you can simply search the Facebook. It just take 3 to 4 seconds or 5 seconds. All right. So simply search about the Facebook. All right. And here you can see the storage usage. Press on that and clear data and clear cache. Now you are able to solve unexpected error occurred on Facebook problem. I hope this video is very beneficial for you. If you like our video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.